Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a Barbie ponytail. We're going to be doing the classic flip ponytail on thick hair. We also will be adding a side bang. So we'll have a side bang and a classic flip ponytail. If you've been watching my videos, you know you always want to start with straightening the hair. You're going to straighten the hair starting from the back and you're going to work your way all the way to the front. Once our hair is straightened, you want to go ahead and start your molding process. At this point, your ponytail should be looking something like this. Your ponytail should be molded, everything should be sleek, everything should be intact. You're going to move along to your bang. Once you're done with your bang, your ponytail should be looking something like this. This is the final result of my ponytail. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.